ton of incremental improvements across the board have made the Samsung S9 and S9 Plus more enjoyable to use and easier to live with than the formidable S8 range launched in 2017. However, we think it's the camera tech that you're going to love the most, along with Samsung's super slow-mo video. But first, let's take a look at the overall design and screen sizes. The phones look gorgeous and are almost identical to the Galaxy S8 range, which is not a bad thing. The screen sizes are the same as last year's S8 and S8 Plus, at 5.8 and 6.2 inches, but this time round, the screens are surrounded by even thinner bezels. In fact, these notch-free Samsungs have a better screen-to-bezel ratio than the iPhone X. Other improvements include the welcome addition of AKG-tuned dual speakers with Dolby Atmos for a more immersive sound. The fingerprint scanner is much easier to reach without smudging the camera lens. You now have faster and more accurate facial unlocking, as well as increased storage capacities and improved microSD card support, right up to a staggering 400 GB. The screens are a bit brighter and the aluminium chassis is a bit stiffer, with thicker glass to protect the screen, so the phones are more durable. And all of this is good news, but here's the best bit. Samsung have given these phones some astonishingly impressive camera tech. Specifically, it's the dual aperture technology that makes these phones so good at capturing beautiful, vibrant images. It allows for both the S9 and S9 Plus to take extremely detailed, precise pictures, not only in bright conditions, but in low light conditions too, even at night. Both phones have extremely competent main cameras, shooting at 12 megapixels with optical image stabilization, but the S9 Plus takes it up a level by introducing a dual lens setup. The extra lens is a telephoto with 2x optical zoom. Also with optical image stabilization, this means luxurious portrait photos and creamy blurred out backgrounds are possible, just like on a DSLR camera. So the top 5 reasons for choosing the S9 and S9 Plus. The camera tech. S9 Plus has the best tech. The stunning display, which is slightly larger on the S9 Plus. Versatile storage options with microSD card support. Almost bezel-free, beautiful design. You'll get to keep the headphone jack, as well as it being IP68 water and dust resistant. So that's the S9 and the S9 Plus. Please give us a thumbs up if you found this video helpful, and subscribe as we have some great videos on the latest and greatest phones from Huawei, Apple, and Sony just around the corner. And remember, whatever phone you choose, you'll find it at Direct Mobiles.